We provide a washing machine at the White House, which is free to use, and it's located in the utility area just off the kitchen. So you'll find it's just down here. Now, to use the machine, just open the door on the right-hand side, pop in your washing, and we also provide laundry tablets for you to use. These are located above. If you take one of these, just pop it in the machine with your washing and then shut the door. Clicks. To turn on the machine, you need to push the power button and this turns on. Now, if you find that this doesn't illuminate, then it may be off at the wall. So please make sure that these switches are pushed down. So with the machine on, what you need to do is then select the wash mode that you wish to use. Now, there are various modes, and at the end of this video, I have put on the instructions via the manual for you to read through and decide whichever mode you wish to use. So for example, here we are on, say, we've got cotton. Now we can change the speed, it says auto here, but we can push through on the button here, and by pushing it, we can select through. Now at the moment, it's sort of going through, then we've got speeds 400, 600, spin speed 800, and it all goes all the way up to 1400. You can also change the temperature by pushing on here, so you've got 40 degrees, and then it can sort of change to 60, 90, and you can select whichever temperature you wish. When you've selected the right temperature, you just push the start button and that will start the machine. When it's finished, it will alarm, and then you can then free to open up the door, and then please at the end make sure you turn it off. And that's how to use the washing machine. Thank you.